Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the blades on a Honda lawnmower. So I have a Honda HRX217 lawnmower, and I got these blades from Lowe's. Okay, so you'd want to watch what blades you get because of course different lawnmowers have different blades, but this is specifically for the HRX version, and I got them from Lowe's for like $30 or so. Home Depot was more expensive, so I went with Lowe's. Alright, so let's get started, guys. So the first thing you would want to do is you have to turn off the fuel. So this is currently in on position. Now I turn it clockwise and put it to off position. The second thing I want to do is I want to disconnect the spark plug. So I just pull out this line. Okay, I just leave it over here. So spark plug is disconnected, and then I'm going to tilt the lawnmower. And when you tilt the lawnmower, what you need to do is, so you see this filter over here, the filter should always go on the top. Okay, once I had tilted the lawnmower on this side and the filter got all soggy with the oil, so always when you tilt the lawnmower, filter has to be on top. Okay, so let's go ahead. Be very careful, guys. Okay, there you go. And if you look at my blades, I haven't changed my blades in like 3 years, which is more than the recommended amount. So look at all these, the edges, how they've been chipped. Okay, so look at that. Okay, so one thing you would want to notice is this thicker edge that you have, that goes on top, and the thin one is on the bottom. Okay, so remember that while replacing the blades. So I forgot to tell you, so when you turn this over, okay, here you go, they have all the instructions over here, so you just want to follow these instructions and I think you should be good. Let's see what we have in this. So this is the thick edge, and this is the thin edge. Right. They don't have the screws over here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the same old screws for now. So if you read the instructions, they'll tell you that you need to put a wooden board so that the blades don't turn while unscrewing. So let's see. Okay, so I put the block over there. Then ideally you would want to use a socket wrench, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to use my regular wrench. Let's see if that works. So I had some trouble getting out this bolt using a normal wrench, so I went and got a socket wrench and I put some oil around it, WD-40, so that it loosens up. So there you go. I was able to get the other nut out using a normal wrench though. But anyways, there you go. Okay, just remember the position. Okay, so the thicker blade goes on top, the thinner blade goes like this. So let me get that blade over here. Okay, so that's the thin blade like this, and then the thicker blade goes like this. Okay, here you have the sharp edge. Okay, there you go, sharp edge like this. So you're going to mount it like this, right? I'll do is I'll just try to clean this up a little bit before I put the blades back. So as per the recommendation, the concave side, see, look at this screw. See this? The concave side should go like this, okay? Okay, look at this. The concave part should go here, like this, okay? And then I take this blade and I mount it over here. Doing it manually with my hands. And if you notice, I put a little bit of WD-40 on this just so that, you know, it threads in correctly. Okay, I'm going to put the block so that it does not move. Okay, here you go. Put this piece of wood right here. And if you notice, I've put the block of wood on the other side so that this does not move. Right. This is tight. Okay, so there you go, it's all fixed up, okay, and ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.